Here I am trying to finally change out my Brembo brake lever, the one I broke this summer. I just took off the first piece of it. I got the pin over here, but there was a bolt on the underside that as soon as I put my tool on the truck, it was in here and it plopped out. So I couldn't see it right away. I had to go and create this metal detector. And I went around the bike. It's a little wet, so everything looks like a screw right now. I'm covered by trees, so I don't have much light. So yeah, long story short, I made this metal detector, and I just finally found the screw under the truck. So now that it's Sunday night, I can fucking finally go for a ride with hopefully enough time to fix the brake. That's the other thing. I haven't found anything online about how to change this brake lever. It comes with instructions, but they're very, very all over the place. So yeah, I'm gonna make this video in phases because I can't hold the camera and do the work at the same time. Oh, but I could maybe do this. No, I could do this. So my truck scraper is now was my metal detector. Now it's gonna be the thing. I'll switch the camera so I can see filming what I want to be filmed, and it's not. We'll try and once I'm actually working, I'm gonna read up on what I'm supposed to do, and then I'm gonna see what I can get done. So it actually just popped out. This piece here was feeling like it was stuck in the bike. It felt like it was stuck in there. But yeah, I was kind of just like fiddling around with it, seeing how things worked. I unscrewed this again, and then it just popped out. So finally, some progress. I got the handbrake actually off now. The old one. Here's gonna be the new one. What's up, man? After like 3 months. Actually, no, that was August. Beginning of August. September, October, November, December. 4 months. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna punch out this cylinder here because they only gave me 2 parts in the replacement kit. They gave me the handle, which comes with just this piece. Well, I'll just take it out. But it's just that black piece that I unscrewed. That one there. And no other parts. And then it comes with some lube for the new addition, for the new components. And there's that. And this guy with a spring. So I see that that's the same part. I'm just gonna punch it out, and then hopefully that releases this hinge. And I see that the spring there is the spring I'm gonna have to replace with this one. And then I'm gonna have to figure out what goes on to get this onto this new one. That'll be the next step.